Are you ready to transform your cooking? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker, your ultimate kitchen solution. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 appliances in one, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, and even an egg cooker. Imagine decluttering your countertops and simplifying meal prep with this single, powerful device. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart are its 15 smart, customizable programs, allowing you to achieve perfect results for everything from cakes to sautéing with just a touch of a button. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, these presets make complex recipes incredibly easy and foolproof. Durability and safety are key, and the food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every single time. No more struggling with non-stick coatings. This pot is built to last and provides even heat distribution for consistently delicious dishes. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. For anyone looking to save time, eat healthier, and enjoy versatile cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is truly an essential appliance for 2025. It's an absolute game changer, and I wholeheartedly recommend adding this incredible multi-cooker to your home today.